Everyone, welcome back. Let's solve the problem A from the weekly contest 384. So this problem score is 2. Generally easy problem says 2 or 3. If the problem score is 2, then it's a pretty easy problem. So if you are new, like if you have just started doing LeetCode, then this problem can be difficult for you. But if you have been to the LeetCode for a couple of times, then this problem is straightforward. Without wasting any further time, let's understand the problem clearly. Given a 0 indexed m cross an integer matrix, create a 0 indexed matrix called answer. Is telling you want to create, so we can create a new one or else we can update. Generally in interviews, if he is saying to create, we should not update the original matrix, we need to create a new one. But this is an LeetCode contest, so main goal is to submit the solution as quick as possible. So make answer equals to matrix, then replace each element with the value -1 with the maximum element in respective column. He is saying that we will iterate every column, and -1 will be replaced with largest element. In this the largest element is 8, so here -1 is replaced with 8. In this my largest element is 9 and it is -1 is replaced with 9. Now and he is saying that the input is generated such that each column contains at least one non-negative integer. He is saying that in every column, in each of the every column at least contains one non-negative integer. That means we can contain any number of -1s, but we have at least one positive integer. And you can think about yourself how you can solve this problem. It's a simple matrix problem. So I think you have tried for a couple of minutes. Let's understand. Here given a matrix. In matrix we need to go column wise. That means I will start from I is equals to 0, I less than m. That means m is my column length, n is my row length. This is my column and this is my row. Now I will iterate to m and j is equals to 0, j less than n. That means we are iterating towards the column. And it is v of j, that means my j, that my column length is increasing drastically, but my row length is increasing, but my column is fixed, my I is fixed. You can see here I have calculated k max, then when it is -1 I am replacing it with k and we are returning v. Now if you see here, the time complexity will be order of n into m, column length into row length, and we are not using any extra space, so it will be an order of 1. I think you have got it. If you understood it, please do like. And I have created a WhatsApp community. You can join that community. We can have a problem discussions in that community. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.